Well, as you can see from my hair blowing in the breeze, this great property has fantastic breezes throughout the course of the day. There are two terraced building sites, quite large, with internal road. This is ready to build. It's on a public road, so you could operate a business here or just have your home. Plenty of space to add a guest house or two. Just lots of mature trees, some fruit trees, including mango and plantain, and the beautiful smelling, fragrant ylang ylang tree. Have a look. This is a nice big mango tree.